This is the third international conference on evaluating environment and development. In this conference we are bringing together a large group of evaluators, but not only evaluators, but also evaluation users and policymakers to discuss how evaluation can truly contribute to sustainable development.
I'm really excited about this conference because it's a chance for professionals involved in evaluation from across the world to get together and to share ideas, to share experiences, and to share the big challenges that they're all facing around evaluation in the context of transformations.
I think the uniqueness at this conference is brings together the evaluation community and the climate change community, or even the broader development evaluation community, and that's what made the last conference very special. And after 5 years, it's a very good time to have it again.
For me, it's really exciting to be here, to re-engage with a lot of colleagues, but then also be thinking about transformation and complexity.
One of the core issues this week at the conference is transformational change.
Transformational change, and how do you evaluate that?
We will evaluate
the various problems that are going on: ocean, land, air, global temperature rises, inequity. These things are all interconnected. And so the blue marble perspective is to see those interconnections and break out of the project box.
This idea of taking a broader systems lens, not looking at projects or programs in particular, but looking at the wider environment and how these interventions are interacting with that. This used to be somewhat of a niche area, and what I feel this week is it's not anymore. There's a call to action.
I'm really excited about sort of the use of geospatial data, use of mobile phone data, for instance, using text mining to look at sort of Twitter data.
But pairing that with then social information about what that means for the people on the ground, and sifting through all of that data can be a real challenge.
So many individual evaluations sit there on their own bookshelf and maybe don't get used as much as they should. But there are new softwares that allow for coding and allow for distillation of knowledge from different sources, and that way we can better use the whole array of evaluations that exist.
What you need to do is to get the key messages out in a way that's accessible. We're living in a world where people read their phones and they need rapid information, highlights. They don't have the time for copious documents. So communication is a very critical area in evaluation.
We're talking about not only extending capacity, having more evaluators with better skills, we're talking bigger and broader, I think, about changing how we teach and what we teach.